In the previous video, we learned one of the easiest and most effective planning methods. As I mentioned, in this video, I'll share my experience of using that method. I'm a freelance motion designer, and after several years of working in this field, I stopped taking on projects for a while due to unfavorable circumstances. This break created a gap, and I realized I needed a fresh start. To rebuild my portfolio with strong new samples, I definitely needed a plan. When I decided to create a plan, there were 79 days left until the end of the year. I chose that time and divided it into 4 20-day intervals. The goal was to prepare 8 videos within each 20-day period without being too strict about the duration or subjects of the videos. At the end of the first interval, I had only managed to create 3 videos. Yeah, far from my initial goal. But before this interval, I had 0 new samples, and now I had 3. That, to me, was progress. As we discussed in the previous video, we might not reach the ideal target we have in mind during the journey. But instead of regretting or blaming myself, I focused on writing down the positive and negative aspects of my performance. This small review helped me finish the second interval with 6 videos, another step forward. By the end of the third interval, which was 60 days into the plan, I realized this time frame was enough for me, and there was no need to start the fourth interval. I could now build my portfolio and start connecting with clients. It's that simple. You might also realize midway through your plan that it's better to take a different path, and that's completely okay. Remember, until you start walking on a path, you won't know whether it's the right one for you or not. Wherever you decide to change your mind, you can always choose a new way forward for yourself. Once you start moving, time will transform you. You'll no longer be the same person as before. So, it's perfectly normal to feel the need to adjust your plans or change your direction. Don't be too hard on yourself, just take the first step. And, of course, don't forget to let me know about your decisions in the comments.